Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can close your debit spread on Robinhood, so let's get started. First, you can see we're starting to lose some of our profits, so let's go ahead and lock in our return. This trade originally cost us $30 to open, and now it has moved in our favor, giving us around a 10-12% gain, or about $3 to $4 in profit. It might not sound like much, but in a small account, every dollar counts, and it's always smart to take profits when you can. Next, we'll click on our options position, where we can see our put spread with one contract open. Then, we'll select that contract and check the price. It's bouncing between $37 and $38, so we'll go ahead and place our order at $37. After that, we'll review the order, leave the price at $37, and click Submit. At first, the order isn't filled immediately, but that's normal. Once it's filled, it will change from 0 of 1 to 1 of 1. We'll wait a bit for it to tick in our direction. After about 30 seconds, we check our account history, and we can see the trade has been placed. It took a few moments, but the order finally went through at $36, giving us a $6 profit on the trade. Especially with spreads on Robinhood, fills can sometimes take a while, so be patient or slightly adjust your price if needed. Now, with that trade closed, we're almost fully in cash. We started this small account challenge with $100, and now, less than 2 weeks in, we're up to $146.79. The only open position we still have is a USO contract, which we're letting run after already taking profits on the rest. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.